Hello Internet. I am going to show you how I attached this ball mount to my dashboard of the BMW R1250RT. So the first thing we have to do is we have to remove this screw, and there's a screw here. So I'll remove those and then I'll show you what happens then. As you can see, I've already removed this screw and I'm just removing this screw. There are only two screws on the speaker cover. And then we remove the speaker cover, pull it up, put it away. I need to detach this cable. There are three screws on the speaker, one here, one there, and one back here, which I've already lost. So I'm going to remove those. Just remove it with this Torx. Okay, the screws have been removed, and now all I have to do is wiggle this out of the way. Just wiggle this out of the way and lay it over here. I don't need to disconnect it because you'll be able to see what I'm doing anyway. So now with the speaker removed or laid to one side, we'll look inside here. Here is the rectifier for the batteries. You can look down in there and you see that's where the headlight bulb is. So I'm not sure if you can see, there we are. We'll get it in focus. Here is the end of the machine bolt, and this is a well, I thought it was 2.5 centimeters, but it's probably a 2 centimeter galvanized steel washer. And that is a 13 millimeter machine bolt that I cut off to the appropriate size. There. Now if we can see, there is the head of the machine bolt that I cut off. And it is attached to the dashboard with a square piece of galvanized steel. And that's how I've done it. Also, you can see in there that round thing, that is the access to the headlights. So if you ever need to change the headlight bulbs, instead of struggling, just take the speaker out and you'll be able to get to the left hand side and the same on the right hand side.